Hi guys, this is Pooja Gupta. Welcome to Media Mentor. As Mumbai University already announced their date was 25th of June, last date to fill in the pre-enrollment form. So right now when you will visit the website, you can see date is lapsed. मतलब कि as of now it is closed. I don't know when it will open up, but ideally and practically it should open after first merit list, जो कि उन्होंने date दी है 29th of June. Why? The reason is you have to add colleges अगर आपको नहीं मिल रहा है and sort of things. Right now, looking at can you fill the form, edit anything? No, it's not happening. We tried everything. You can't add colleges. You can't, edit anything. Only CBSE students, those who have kept result awaited, they can go and edit their 12th standard mark sheet. That much is the only thing which is happening currently on the Mumbai University website. And now I know the reason for you to panic, to get confused is but obvious because KC College ने अपना merit list निकाला है for 3 courses and all of the students are thinking कि कौन से basis पे merit list निकल रही है because marks नहीं दिए हुए हैं, only names are given. Similarly, few colleges जैसे KC ने अपने 3 courses के लिए announce किया है, other colleges are also coming out with their merit list. कौन से course का किस basis पे किसी ने कुछ announce नहीं किया है. Right now I just want to tell you guys, just have patience and especially CBSE board students because आप बिना marks के कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो ऐसे भी. Mumbai University will have to open the form because आप लोगों ने edit नहीं किया है without your mark sheet. How will you even go and select the colleges? Because अगर आपका 80 आया है तो you will not apply to Xavier's directly जिसका 90s में cut off जाता है. अगर आपका 70 आया है same thing, like without results you can't do anything. That's why I'm saying कि logically and practically form open होगा. Right now जो भी accessibility है, like each and every college अपने हिसाब से college form open कर रहा है. So for example, if you go on St. Xavier's college website and you are a CBSE student, जो कि उन्होंने clearly instruction दिया था that they're gonna wait for CBSE results and the form is only open for CBSE students henceforth. मतलब कि अब तक HSC के बच्चे भी apply कर पा रहे थे, but now when CBSE students are trying to click on apply, it is showing the form is closed. So guys, it's all technical glitch. They will open up the form because they themselves are confused and there is no clear instructions coming out from any of the college. So we are waiting for first merit list. Just let the first merit list come out 29 June को. उसके बाद देखते हैं process कैसे होता है. And especially if you guys are targeting for Jai Hind and Mithibai, NM and Xavier's, just wait for their entrance to get over. उसके बाद उसका process I'll keep you guys updated. Now HSC students जो अप्लाई नहीं कर पाए वो क्या कर सकते हैं. HEC स्टूडेंट्स, आई वांट टू टेल यू गाइस कि वॉक इन कॉलेजेस एडमिशन दे रहा है इंटरव्यू बेसिस पे. आई कीप यू गाइस पोस्टेड रिगार्डिंग दैट टू. सो कॉलेजेस आर टेकिंग एडमिशन ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन सब तरीके में चल रहा है. एंड येस, अभी भी आप अप्लाई कर पाओगे अगर आपका मिस हो गया है तो बीइंग एन HSC स्टूडेंट. अगर कर दिया है तो चिल मारो, नहीं किया है अगेन व्हेन द मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी फॉर्म विल ओपन, उसके बाद आप वहां पे जाके अपना कॉलेज एडिट कर पाओगे. सो आई कीप यू पोस्टेड with all the updates coming in और कब क्या open हो रहा है because we are tracking Mumbai University website and college website too, in the form filling process कि कहाँ पे क्या open हुआ है. And regarding JHC का जो entrance exam का video है, I'm coming up with that also like today itself कि आप कैसे क्या mock test दे सकते हो. I hope guys the video was informative. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for a lot of such informative updates on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.